Hello, I'm here to introduce a new PerkinElmer Avio 200. I'm going to go over some of the hardware features in our new system today. As you can see, it's a vertical-oriented system. This is the plasma generator. It's the heart and soul of the Avio 200. This is where it all happens. This is a new torch module. Comes in two easy parts, the injector and injector adapter, the torch, and the torch module. They slide into each other like so. Now we can insert the torch into the new generator. Slides right up in there. And there's a new locking feature. You press it, and it locks the injector and the torch in place. This is a new sample introduction system for the Avio 200. We've got a Meinhard K1 nebulizer, a baffled cyclonic spray chamber. Comes with a spacer to guarantee repeatability of the measurement. It clips onto the injector adapter, like so. One of the new features on the Avio 200 is the 4-channel peristaltic pump. It comes with 12 rollers and a new material for increased chemical resistivity. Another feature of the torch compartment is this Z positioning. It slides the whole torch module in and out to guarantee repeatability of that Z positioning in the flat plates. Now that we've got that all set, we close the door and we're ready to run. Now that the hardware is all set, we're ready to run an analysis. Let's start by opening a workspace. Today we're going to do a simple drinking water analysis. And you can see I've got my workspace open. We're analyzing a variety of analytes. So the first thing we're going to do is light the plasma. Go up to the instrument panel, plasma control, press the big gray button. Now that the plasma is lit, we want to ensure proper sample flow. We can also check the quality of the plasma through the plasma cam. Now that everything looks good, we want to load a method. I've got a method here called drinking water. We could also load our sample information file. It's got 25 samples that we're about to run. Now that that's all set to go, we can just press Analyze All. As you can see in the status panel, it tells us the status of the analysis, the method we have open, the sample information file we have open, and the data set we're saving data to. It also gives a brief status on the spectrometer, the plasma generator, and the autosampler. Now that our analysis is complete, we can examine the data. We want to make sure all the peaks are lined up and the background points account for everything. Once that's all set, we can examine the calibration. As you can see, we have two standards. In this screen, you can remove calibration standards and reanalyze any standards that you desire to. Once everything's set, we want to reprocess the data. And now we can look at all the data we collected in the data viewer. You can see the concentration in calibration units, concentration in sample units, and the QCs. Looks like everything passed. And now our drinking water analysis on the Avio 200 ICP-OES is complete.